Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Once all the lines are drawn on the tube, we can go ahead and apply the last vacuum form wrap. Now this one is going to go on the base of the tube, so if these are an arrow that points forward, this is going to go on the base. We need to check the fit first and trim as necessary. So before you trim, make sure that it's all the way around flush with the edge so that you know it's straight. And I'll just mark it right here. And it tells me how much I need to trim off. And retest it. Okay, that's really good. I'm going to tape it. And then the cut line is going to go right on position 1. So this is my position 1 line right over here, so I'll rotate it around. It's a little hard to see, but it's right there. And now these other tick marks on the outside are actually where the first ribs are on the vacuum form wrap. So you can kind of eyeball it and make sure that the wrap will be right, the flat areas are right in line with those outside tick marks. And you can check your launch lug line too. There's my launch lug line. Okay, and then when it's in the position that you want, go ahead and glue it down as you did before using the thin super glue. Remember to wear your safety glasses. Just double check to make sure that that edge is down. Okay, and my wrap is fastened to the tube.